This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about drip trays, specifically these BevTech drip trays. These black plastic drip trays are octagon shaped, and they come with a great removable grate. It's easy to pop that grate out when you need to clean your trays. We have the 4-inch size here, but these are also available in a 5-inch size as well. They're a perfect accessory for drink dispensers, both hot and cold, and they provide a nice resting spot for cups, and they also catch those drips from the faucets and really help to contain accidents and spills. The grate is removable and just pops out really easily to make care and cleaning a breeze. They're also dishwasher safe as well, making cleanup really quick at the end of the night. The black finish these are available in goes with anything. And the shape means it can be used with any style of dispenser. It's really easy to wedge that in there and get right up next to the edge. They can be used with both hot and cold beverages, and they're perfect for coffee shops, bakeries, caterers, and restaurants.